Hi guys, this week I would like to speak about how much is important be sticky with your mission. So I think that I already speak about mission in another week and how much is important that every part of the team going through that direction. Today I would like to speak about how much time you can save, concentrate yourself in something that produces value for your organization. So if the mission is correct, it has to be clear for everyone which is the right direction and what gives the maximum value of your organization. So I suggest you to, if there is a team that sometimes is stressed about spend too much time on things that is not important, or at the end don't understand really where is the value of their work, and we know the losing a member of a team could be really dangerous. I put some statistic in the newsletter this week. So I suggest to you to try to understand how maximize the value of your work and remove something that is not important. I know people, it's really attached to the comfort zone of work, doing the same stuff, and I know I was one of them. And I know how much it's hard to change and be dynamic on your work, but yeah, this could be very useful. I had an exercise in the newsletter this week to help you to understand what is important, what not, and we did it in our team. So starting from 2026, we try to change the process inside our development team, and I try to put them more near to the customer and more near to our mission, that it's free their time with simple tools and simple digital tools, and free, and give more time for human connection and what is really valuable for cultural organization. And we reached a wonderful result, because the first semester of 2026 we released to our product 3 new features, and instead of one a year. So I'm very happy, because I think that the team is concentrate their work on what is really valuable for our customer. So yeah, I would like to let you resonate about this. If your team is stressed, or anyway, if you think that you are losing time and something is not important, please try to analyze the work of your team and try to understand better if you can concentrate and elevate the task in order of priority that has a real value for your visitor, for your organization, for your mission. So, thank you very much, and catch you next time. Bye.